props are in place and everything's ready to go for the shows. Watching and make sure the lighting and sound are all in place and everyone's happy with that. And general care of everyone.
I'm Tom Brady and I was the musical director on Honk. During the last few weeks I was rehearsing the casts and putting together the band. Predominantly doing a lot of company work with the cast, teaching the harmonies, getting them tight. And then in the last week, being responsible for putting the band together and rehearsing them, putting them into the theatre and getting the band and cast to listen to each other. The best moment is probably watching the ball being thrown on stage. It's supposed to hit Tom in the back of the head each night, but so far has failed to do so. That's been pretty comic. It's all freedom, free. It's all freedom, train is been a long time coming. Ain't nobody gonna miss it now, so jump on while it's running. Give it up, freedom, give it up, freedom, give it up, freedom, 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 freedom. It's all freedom, train is been a long time coming. Ain't nobody
the story of Honk basically is all about, it's the classic tale of the ugly duckling. Basically, the mother hen has all these lovely ducklings. She then gives birth to this massive hen, massive duckling, and it ends up being the kind of ugly one of the group. It's basically a fun tale. It's all about how the rest of the farmyard kind of don't want him involved. Like my character, the dad, he basically disowns him. So it's a great story, great music. Probably the strongest point of the show is the score itself, because the songs are absolutely fantastic. You know, you got a lot of musicals with songs that you would skip or you would go, I don't want to hear that one, but Honk's quite good because every song's, you know, it's got a nice tune, a nice melody, and it's just a great show for the kids and for everyone.
Okay, so we're just going to go through the props now. It's been an interesting show to make props for because everything needs to be oversized because obviously they're animals and they're smaller than the rest of the world. So this is our Heinz baked beans tin. So we don't breach copyright, we've changed the Z to an S. Just little things.
My name is Marie Francis and I play Henrietta the Hen, Queenie the Cat, a froglet, and the snowstorm. Originally I was a snowflake, but then the other two snowflakes disappeared, so now I am the blizzard incarnate. My favourite part of the show so far I think has to probably be working with Jack, because we're like a double act, both as a hen and a moorhen, and then in the second half as a chicken and a cat. And so I think like having like a little duo to play off, I think I've really enjoyed that.
Right, that's like one day's worth. That's how hard I work in this show.
Yeah.
This is how hard I work.
What even is
That's
that?
mine, that's my...
That's salt. It's salt.
Is it?
Salt from
Deodorant?
that's salt from the sweat.
Nice.
Hello, my name's Chris. I'm the producer and I play Ugly in Honk. This is our 6th show at the OFS and the 5th year that Acting About has been around. It's been a great challenge and a really good one as well. We've got a fantastic casting company. They've all worked really hard to produce a really good show, which has been really well received by both the audiences and the press.
Right, yeah.
Feel more manly?
Yeah.
I'm actually enjoying this. Honestly. honestly, if I could wear makeup, I would. Because it covers the spots and everything, it's amazing.
You do look good with makeup.
Oh, it's amazing, I love it. I'm quite scared.
I hope it's been a good experience for everybody. It's been very stressful and very challenging, very hard work. But I hope everybody's taken away something valuable from it.
Should we do this call?